Okay, Dr. Botanica with you on this July 30th day. And as you can see here, I'm just pulling out some squash from growing my garden, and cucumbers, and chard, collards. I'm going to grow some carrots, but this is a result of what you can do. This is life. If it doesn't contain life, it can't give life. You have all these people that are so materialistic and have not once attempt to grow a garden or teach their offspring to grow something. They're sitting around playing video games, people watching sitcoms, nonsense, instead of reconnecting with nature. And this is one of the reasons you people suffer out there, because you have forsaken what gives life. So, for all the people that are out there who have not created anything, but yet have all the materialistic things, you're on the losing side. And this is why the people suffer from this man-made pandemic. Reconnect with nature, and nature will reconnect with you. Peace.